Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a push in golf. Check your setup and alignment first, then address face angle and swing path. Start by standing parallel to your target line and ensure your shoulders and feet match it. Use a club on the ground to confirm alignment, then practice shallow inside to out swings with a slow tempo. Small grip and face changes solve many pushes, so be patient and consistent. Begin with a simple alignment check to cure a persistent push. Place a club along your feet and another pointing to the target and make sure shoulders mirror that line. Aim the club face directly at the target before you set your stance to avoid introducing an open face. Practice slow swings focusing on swinging along the intended path while keeping your head steady. Repetition with clear feedback trains your body to repeat the correct setup. Fixing the push often means changing how the club approaches the ball and how the face is presented. Work on the feeling of swinging slightly inside to out, letting the club release toward the target after contact. Practice slow-motion swings and pause at impact to check the face is square. Use a head cover outside the ball to prevent a steep outside and path. That drill encourages a flatter, more efficient takeaway and follow-through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.